and welcome to Inert Security, London's security system design and installation experts. We install and maintain a range of hand-picked, tried and tested, high-end, Full HD 1080p CCTV systems that deliver the highest possible images for maximum protection of your home and family or business premises. Why settle for grainy, poor quality recording when you can have crystal clear images that can deliver perfect facial definition and number plate recognition? Our HD CCTV systems can also be fitted with the latest state-of-the-art intelligent infrared night vision, ensuring round-the-clock protection. We set up our system for full remote access from any remote PC, smartphone or tablet, so wherever you are or whatever you are doing, you will always be able to keep a watchful eye on your premises. To complement our CCTV, we also install a range of intruder alarms and home and business protection systems that utilise the latest wireless technology and built-in communication for immediate notification if your premises are under threat. We have over 10 years experience and all of our systems are installed to the highest possible standards. We offer a full, no quibble, 2-year on-site warranty, and coupled with our unrivaled customer support, you can rest assured your security is in the best hands. We have hundreds of delighted customers, so why not get on board and let Inert Security give you protection you need and deserve without spending a penny more than you need to. Please visit our website inert.co.uk for more details or call us now for a free quote and site survey on 0770 280 2915.